Hey, Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and we're back at the cabin build, and I'm just giving you a quick look around here. They've pretty much completed the backfilling, so we got rid of the huge pile of dirt that we had over on the far side of the lot, and they filled in the working space they had around the foundation. So it's been a couple weeks basically since it was poured, and they came in today and got all the backfill basically put in roughly to height. There's a little bit of fine tuning to do yet, and I think they're out of dirt is the main problem, so they'll come and finish that up. But let's just have a little walk around and see what it looks like. Okay, so you can see they've brought it up, getting kind of close to grade here. If you kind of look across there, everything's sloping here, so it's hard to get a good feel on it. But basically they used some equipment, skid steers and that, to bring the dirt in and get it in place, and kind of pack it as they're putting it in. So I'll insert a little bit of footage here so that you can see exactly what they did. So that just gives you a little bit of an idea of you know, how they brought it in there and got it into place. It was kind of tight over on this one side, so they had the small little stand behind unit to do it, and the bigger workhorse to bring the dirt in and get it roughly in place. Okay, so that's about all I can really show you on the backfill. And like I said, they're going to probably fine tune it a little bit yet, but that was it.